Hello and what's up guys, Nellis here from NiuxTech, and yes, we are back with video reviews, finally. Today I'm gonna review and check if Edifier W830 Bluetooth headphones are still worth to buy in 2020. I will also include some sound quality tests and compare it to way more expensive Sony WH1000 MX3. So without further ado, let's get into it. To start with, a quick unboxing drill. Even though the box corners came a bit damaged from transportation, headphones come in a nice sturdy carrying case, and add to this, the inner part of the box have soft paddings for extra protection. Nice! As we go deeper inside the case, you will find a 3.5mm audio cable, a mini USB charging cable, unfortunately not Type-C, some Chinese manual books, and of course the headphones itself. Edifier W830BT are the budget range headphones from 2017, but until now we're one of the top selling pairs among other models. Knowing that in mind, the overall build quality is somewhere on average, and it definitely matches the price of $80 US, which is equal to 70 euros or so. Both sides of Edifier headphones can be folded, making it more compact either you're traveling or simply storing them at home. The paddings are quite soft, however after a longer period of use, you will start feeling a slight pressure, and that might lead to a certain level of discomfort. But I guess it's more or less the same with all similar range headphones. The adjustable rim will ensure the perfect fit for your size, and as you can see, it easily passed my flexibility test with no extra damage. The main buttons of power on, volume up and volume down can be found on the right side, and 3.5mm audio jack together with mini USB charging port on the lefty. Now the biggest advantage of these headphones are 95 hours of music playtime. Of course, it's most likely it's measured on 50% of max volume, but even though that is sick, just imagine you're most likely to charge it every 2 or 3 months. Wow! But what about sound quality? Edifier W830BT supports an older 4.1 Bluetooth protocol and a range up to 10 meters, Qualcomm aptX, and maximum sound level is rated at 96 decibels. And here are my sound quality tests, including the comparison to Sony WH1000 MX3. So what are the things I have noticed? Well, there are quite a few insights that are worth sharing with you guys. First of all, sound quality is better when connected with a 3.5mm cable and noticeably worse over Bluetooth. Now if I would go a bit more into the details, on Bluetooth, which is my preferred mode, max volume is way lower compared to wired connection, but at the end of the day it's enough for pretty loud music listening. Overall sound feels quite flat, sloppy, lacking deeper marks on all three components, height, mids and bass. As soon as we connect 3.5mm cable, you get plenty of volume, sound is clear but feels like there is some kind of sound filter on the top. Sound quality seems to be stable on different volume level, not much of distortions, however bass could be more powerful and deep. With some bass boost app, it's noticeably better. You can use third-party equalizer apps on both laptop or on your phone and adjust levels based on your preference. However, at the end of the day, these headphones are not for audiophiles. There are better options in the market, but of course for higher price. When it comes to the sound isolation, it also could do a better job. If max out the volume, people nearby might get disturbed, and that is not the ideal scenario. In regards to latency, I haven't noticed any uncomfortable delays while watching Netflix or gaming, neither when I was doing some latency tests on YouTube. To sum all the things up, Edifier W830BT are good looking $80 headphones with an average build and sound quality. These are not the new release headphones, meaning they are missing some key features from 2020 like Bluetooth 5.0, active noise cancellation and USB Type-C port. But at the same time, they are budget headphones and doing their job pretty well for its price. Traveling storing case is a really nice add-on to this package, and finally 95 hours of music playtime is a reasonable selling point. Of course, if you're looking for one of the best Bluetooth headphones right now in the market with latest features, you will not regret getting Sony WH1000MX3. These headphones are more comfortable, has better build quality and provide superior sound, however for 3.5 times higher price than Edifier W830. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me some thumbs up. Feel free to ask any questions below and support this channel by hitting subscribe button. Now seriously, is it hard to press one button? Come on, I know you can do it. And for me, it really means a lot. Alright, this is Nellis from NiuxTech, and I'll see you next time.